Morning, it's Jarrod from JT Electrical Group. I'm going to take you through this Summit van Sprinter build, which we've just completed. It's got a ECOFLOW system installed. So this is the screen, which pretty much tells you everything you need to know about the system. You've got two 2 kilowatt batteries, so a 4 kilowatt battery system. Our inputs, we're charging from DC charged from the alternator, which will charge at 70 amps. We've got a 175 watt panel on the roof, which is through one solar circuit, and then another 100 watt solar panel on the roof, which is through another solar circuit. And then we've also got the ability to plug it into shore power and charge it from mains / shore power. And that'll charge at 2.4 kilowatts. You've got a full 3 kVA inverter, which will run your microwave, coffee machine, aircon unit, outdoor kitchen, indoor kitchen, charge your e-bikes, whatever you need, and it'll do that when you're not plugged into shore power. So it's a completely off-grid system. You've got a fair few DC circuits, which just range from interior lights, exterior lights, fridge, water pump, shower. You've got DC sockets throughout. You've got reading lamps. You've got under overhead LED strip lighting, which is all dimmable. Diesel heater in the rear, which controls your hot water and your air heating, but then the aircon unit, which runs off the inverter, is also dual cycle, so it will heat and cool as well. I'll take you through it. We'll start at the front and we'll work our way to the back of the van. So from the driver's seat, you've got rear light switching. So one of the lights at the rear on top, you can turn on and off from the driver's seat. You've got compressor mounted under the bonnet, which you can switch from here, and then there is another switching point as well, which I'll show you later. One of the air outlets is here for this. Fridge, just a 12 volt compressor fridge. This is your sort of control panel at your kitchenette unit. So you've got your ceiling lights, which is the strip lights in the roof, which will dim and change color, and then same on the driver's side and the passenger side for the exterior lights. You've got some plumbing stuff with your tank valves and your tank senders, and then you've got your diesel heater control screen, and then just a 240 AC power outlet. Microwave is plugged into the other power point up the top here. Just some more 12 volt USB A and C sockets next to the screen up here. Shower has a vent fan and it has a downlight on the roof. Tap and drinking water here all runs through the water pump. Get into the bed, and we've got overhead lighting on both sides, as well as reading lamps with USB sockets in the reading lamps as well. The aircon unit, which runs off AC, is in the bed area. We'll come to the outside of the van and you'll see the exterior lights, one at the front and one at the back. These lights are tricolour, so they're amber, warm white and cool white, and they're fully dimmable in each setting. And then at the rear of the van, you've got the two at the top. The one on the right is switched from the rear here, and then the one on the left is the one that's switched from the front. Now, earlier in the video I said we've got another compressor switching point. That is here, next to the other air outlet. So you've got 2 air outlets and 2 switching locations for the compressor. So if you want to spray down bikes or something in the back, and then you can access from the driver's seat if you're going to be pumping up tyres from there. Come to the driver's side, again, 2 exterior lights up top, one at the front, one at the rear, and then this is what we're making standard now, and it is a stainless steel shore power / mains power plug-in point from Victron. It's a lot nicer than those plastic ones you see on a lot of the caravans. Done auxiliary tail lamps, so we've got brake, tail and indicator with them, and then we've also relocated the number plate to keep it legal for Australia. And then at the sliding door, we've also got outdoor kitchen as well. So this is a drop down, and in this little pocket underneath, you've actually got a double power point, which you can put your induction cooker out here, put the awning out, you've got your outdoor kitchen, kettle, whatever you need. And like I said before, this will all run off grid. So you don't have to be plugged into shore power or anything to run any of the power points. It all works just straight off the battery system. So it's a fully off-grid vehicle